Okay, so seated cable rows, gagawa tayo ng tatlong variation. Okay, so first variation is wide parallel grip. Second variation is underhand grip. And then third variation is close parallel grip. So first variation ng seated cable row is parallel grip na wide. Okay, so okay, grab natin yung parallel grip, the bar, okay? So dito sa dulo. Ayan. Okay, so after mo makuha yung bar, okay, so make sure na naka-chest out ka and then lean forward, drop your shoulder, lean forward, and then pull, papasok hanggang stomach. Yan. And then make sure na squeeze yung shoulder blades. And then if okay na, go control the movement, pabalik. Yan. And then again, drop your shoulder and then pull, squeeze your shoulder blades. Okay. And then stretch, and then pull, contract, nice. Slow release. Okay, so second variation tayo ng seated cable rows. So sa second variation, gagamit tayo ng bar. Okay, so underhand ang placement ng arms natin. Okay, go. Rest your foot and then grab the bar. Underhand. Ayan. Okay, so once na na-pull nyo na yung bar, okay, start tayo. Drop your shoulder. Drop. And then pull the bar hanggang stomach nyo. Go pull, stomach, and then squeeze your back. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Okay? And then slow release. Go slow release. And then drop your shoulder. Okay? So starting point nyo, drop your shoulder. Ayan. And then go pull hanggang stomach. Ayan. Shoulder blade, squeeze. And then slow release. Ayan. Ayan. So third variation tayo ng seated cable rows. So third variation is yung close parallel grip. Okay? So grab the grip. Okay. So once na nag-grab nyo na yung grip, okay, go. Drop your shoulders. Drop. And then pull hanggang stomach. Pull. And then squeeze your back. Making sure na yung siko is all the way patalikod. Okay. And then release. Again, drop your shoulder. And then go pull. Squeeze mo yung back mo. Ayan. Slow release. Go. Slow. And then go squeeze. Ayan. Okay. So yun yung tatlong variation ng seated cable row. So again, first variation is parallel wide grip. So ito yon, parallel wide grip sa pinakadulong placement. Okay, and then second variation is underhand grip. Okay, sa bar. Ayan, underhand. And then last variation is yung parallel close grip. Okay, parallel grip na close.